Hello, everybody. Can you hear me clearly? Okay. Okay. So I will start my presentation. So hello, everyone. I'm an International Development Manager of ISEP. So today, for this presentation, I will give you an overview of ISEP, our different academic programs, our partnership with different universities and corporate companies. For those students who are interested in R&D, I will present a little bit about our research activities at ISEP. In the end of my presentation, I know all Indian students would like to know the student life and ISEP, and for sure the job placement after your presentation. This is a little summary of my presentation. So ISEP is a French engineering graduate school specialized in digital domain. So we are specialized in 4 domains: computer science and cybersecurity, electronics, telecommunication, and IoT. And image processing and AI, we are specialized in this domain too. Okay. So we are a non-profit private graduate school, and we are established in 1955. So we have more than 65 years of history. As you can see here, our program actually is accredited by CTI. Actually, is the highest accreditation in France. Is the engineering accreditation authority. So we are certified since 1955. So our program is recognized not only by the French state, but also you can see here there is a logo called Euro-ACE in the end of the page. So our program is recognized in Europe also. And to give you a general idea, we have 1,650 students, and in 2019, we have 375 graduates. We have a strong alumni network, so we have more than 9,400 alumni. And you can see here we are the members of different associations: physics, CTI, Grande École, all the engineering and graduate school are listed in this organization. So we are one of the members of Grande École, and we are accredited by CTI and Euro-ACE. Okay. Based on our survey of this year, our graduates still have an average salary around 44,000 euros. We have 2 campuses. The first campus is located in the 6th district of Paris. It's in the heart of Paris, is in the Latin area. And we host a Stanford University for 18 years already in this campus, 5th floor. And we have the second campus, which is new campus, located in the Paris region for sure. It's 20 minutes between the campus 1 and campus 2. And for the new campus, actually, this city is called ISEP. It's called Smart City since 1990. A lot of high technological companies is located in this city, such as Microsoft, Cisco, Orange, and Huawei, and etc. So for our students, it's a good opportunity, for example, because we are specialized in digital domain. So when our students do final internship or small internship, they have the opportunity actually to have the job opportunities near the school region. Okay, the second part of my presentation, I will show you the different academic programs, the teaching pedagogy, and ISEP. We provide 5 kinds of educational programs at ISEP. Engineering graduate program, we provide innovation and entrepreneurship program, we provide specialized masters, we provide PhD program, which we have partnership with University Paris Sorbonne, and we also provide continuing education program for the professionals. Okay. So here, I would like to show you a 5-year engineering graduate program at ISEP to give you a general idea how it works for engineer student at ISEP. Okay, so if, for example, a high school graduate student, they will follow normally a 5-year program at ISEP. The first 2 years, they will have fundamental courses. We call it preparatory courses, 2 years. So they will have, for example, math, physics, robotics, IT fundamental courses, electronic fundamental courses, management, and foreign languages. This is during the preparatory circle. So when students pass, for sure, they have to pass all the exams. They have to be selected for this program. There is an entrance exam too. Okay, and then if let's say they clear all the credits for this first 2 years, they will be enrolled to the engineering circle for another 3 years. Okay, and in the engineering circle, the first year is called fundamental year. Also, they will have telecommunication, network, electronics, programming, signal classes. It's all engineering fundamental courses. And then start from year 4, we will provide 8 different specializations to our students. So they will choose different specializations according to their academic program, result according to their interest, and they will choose one of the specializations. And during this 5 years study, we ask students to do 2 internships, which there is a small internship on 4th year, and there is a final internship minimum 5 months on the final year. Okay, and for students who complete these 5 years, they will receive a French engineering graduate degree, which is master degree, and is highly reputed not only in France but also in Europe. And for Indian students, for example, you are a high school graduate student and you would like to choose this program, you have to follow this 5-year program. For Indian students, if you are a bachelor holder, for example, if you have a BTech in EEE, and then you can apply for our program. It's called ISEP Engineering Master Degree Program, and you just need to follow 4th year and 5th year at our school. And there is 3 semesters academic courses plus 1 semester's internship. And it's after that, if let's say you would like to continue your further study for a 1-year postgraduate program or PhD, yes, you have the opportunity to. But once again, it's very selective, and you have to have excellent academic results. Okay, and for these 8 different specializations, we have, you can see here, we have information systems, software engineering, embedded systems, wireless telecommunication and IoT, business intelligence, digital security and network, e-health, innovation and entrepreneurship. We have these 8 specializations. As you can see here, there are 3 specializations are highlighted in blue color. So these 3 specializations, we have a program is called IEMDP, and these 3 programs are fully taught in English. Okay. And the rest of the program, actually, for the 4th year, the majority of the classes are taught in French, and for the 5th year, the majority of the classes are taught in English. But these 3 programs, which are highlighted in blue color, are fully taught in English. Okay, software engineering, embedded systems, wireless telecommunication, and IoT. And we do have double degrees in France with many famous universities, and we do have double degrees with other foreign partners. Okay, so if you would like to have a double degree with our French partners or with other international universities, you have the opportunity to do that. But you have once again to have excellent academic results. Education and exam, actually we have a very innovative teaching method. It's called project-based learning. And our students, for example, you can see here, they have a little group, normally 5 or 6 students, they work in a little group. And they will have a real subject. They will work like in the company, working for a project. Technical skills, hardware, softwares, we would like to develop technical knowledges for hardware and software to our students, but also softer skills, okay? So if you have any question in the end of my presentation, I will explain you more about our programs, different type of classes if you. Okay. And for our students, as you can see, we not only provide technological courses, we also provide culture and management courses. Until today, we have 45 startup companies created by our students. And we also have inter-school projects with other universities. We have we provide two internship opportunity to our students. And for students who will stay with us, if let's say they have a contract with a company, there is apprenticeship opportunities too. So for all the engineers, we ask all the engineers to pass a TOEIC English test for the English proficiency level, and all of our students, they have to meet 800 points minimum. And for foreign student, normally we'll provide free French classes. And if let's say you already speak French and English, you will have second foreign language opportunities. You can choose a second foreign language. Okay. Okay. We have more than 135 university partners all over the world. As I mentioned before, so for all our students, they have to achieve at least one overseas internship exchange opportunities. So ISEP is one of the top 10 engineering graduate schools which send the most students abroad. This is according to a ranking called Engineering School Ranking from 2014 to 2018, L'Étudiant. We are class and the top 10 engineering schools provide the international opportunity to our students. We have around 400 foreign students in our school, so it's about 25% of our students are foreign students. And we have the program Stanford in Paris for more than 18 years. And we have exchange program, not only for students, we have exchange professors from different famous universities. And we provide foreign student mentoring group with our International Student Club, ISEP. And yes, if let's say student would like to participate in some charity, and all there are some charity clubs also. Now I would like to talk about the corporate partnerships, because for our students, they have to achieve internship opportunities. To achieve an internship, final year internship, and there is a small internship on the fourth year. So thanks to our corporate partners, we have 120 industrial lecturers, and they participate in our final year courses and our final year study project. And thanks to our partners, they provide us each year around 7,000 offers for the internship opportunity, around 4,500 offers for the job opportunity, and around 1,000 opportunity for apprenticeship offers. So we have a website, so our students, they can consult our website and to participate in different job fairs to have the internship or job opportunity. And to give all of you a general idea, so we have, based on our survey of this year, all our students, they find a job after graduation in less than 3 months. And majority of our students works in lead posts in Paris region, and 2% of our graduates work in overseas. And you can see there another 8% of our graduates actually work in different cities in France, for example, in Lyon, in Toulouse, in Bordeaux, in different cities. Okay, and you can see here the majority of our graduates, they find a job in Paris region. So which is, we have this advantage because our school is located in Paris. So for the job market, I think it's an advantage point for our graduates. Okay, so here I cannot list down all our 400 partners here, but in this page, you will have a general idea of what kind of partners we do have. For example, in the industry, in IT consulting companies, maybe you have heard Capgemini, maybe you have heard about Accenture, and in bank, finance, telecommunication, hardware, software. So in different domain we have partners, and it will give you a general idea what kind of partners we have. Okay. For those students who have passion for research, yes, we do have a lab. It's called LISIT, and we have 2 research groups and 40 researchers. It's composed by 20 PhD students and 20 professors. Our main research areas are in AI, in resource management, in multi-user valence system, advanced method of interpreting and image coding, energy recovery systems, macro, nano, and electronic systems. So if you have an interest in this domain, and if you have an excellent academic result, yes, you can candidate for our PhD program. Okay. Okay. Yes, for sure. Besides of the school classes, we provide different student activities also to our students. We have more than 30 student associations. Here I list a few examples for you. For example, for students who have passion to work like a project manager, we have a junior ISEP. So all these students work in this club, they work like a real IT consultant for the real project from real company. So this is one of the best junior enterprise in France since 2015. And we have sports club like ISEP Sailing Club, and we are the champion since 2013 until 2019. And we have different startup companies created by our students. So we have entrepreneurship associations, for example, garage or hospital. And yes, because we are specialized in digital domain, so since 1996, we have a robotic club, and they have participated in French robotic cup each year. Okay. So if you are passionate for different domain, you also can choose a student association and in your spare time. Okay, job placement. I know after your study, you would like to know, so what kind of job I will have, what kind of sector I will work for. So this is a survey which we have conducted last year. So you can see here, the majority of our graduates work in information system, work in information industrial design engineer. For sure, some of our graduates, 13% of our graduates work as an IT consulting company or IoT design engineer. Some of our students, they continue their study for R&D domain, for example, PhD or R&D domain in the company. And some of them, they work as a project manager in a company, and some of them, they work as a commercial engineer. So as you know, if you have the French engineering graduate degree, it not means, okay, I only can work in digital domain. Actually, the door is open for you. You have different opportunities. You can work in different projects, not necessarily in digital domain, but you have the engineering graduate degree, it opens many doors for you. Regarding the sector, you can see here, majority of our graduates work in ICT industry, computing and information systems, finance and insurance, telecommunication, transport, energy, health. Once again, in the other domains, there are different opportunities too. Okay. And here, I list a few examples of, they are all our graduate students, and they are, you can see that they work in different domains. They are, for example, the previous IBM vice president is graduate 1975. He's from our school, and we have students, they are working in different domains. You can see from internet domain, Google, luxury domain, Louis Vuitton, or we have a student, they have created their startup companies, and some students, they work in the IT consulting domain. And yes, we have students working in aerospace domain, Airbus or Dallas, and this is a military related company. So you can see that, or telecom company. So you can see that all of our graduates, actually, they are specialized in different domains, and they work in in different sector of activities. Okay, and a little summary of my presentation. And so we have 8 different specializations for all our students. But for students who will join us for the English program, there will be 3 programs fully taught in English. Okay, we provide internship and overseas exchange opportunities to our students. We provide more than 30 student associations for our students. And we have more than 100 certified international partners all over the world. And all our students, I mean, they have found a job within 3 months after their graduation. And our students, they have a good average salary after graduation. And for students who would like to continue their further study, there are different double degree opportunities. Okay. And last point, which I would like to highlight, is about our admission. Okay. There are 2 programs that are open for Indian students. Okay. So there is a program, it's called the CFT program. It's an international integrated circle program. It's a program with 2 years preparatory circle, about 3 years engineering circle. So it's a 5-year program. In the end, the student will receive engineering master degree, and we have an English speaking program. For sure, if you speak French, we have French speaking program too. And for students, if let's say you have a high school diploma and majoring in scientific stream, yes, you are eligible to apply for this program. And for students who have a BTech, who have a bachelor degree, or you have professional experience or master degree, you can apply for our ISEP engineering master degree program. It's a 2-year program. It contains 3 academic semesters and 1 internship semester. And in the end, yes, you will receive engineering master degree too. And it's an English program, and the candidate, you must have a relevant degree in bachelor. Okay, so these are the 2 programs which we are open for Indian students. So if you have any question, please feel free to visit our ISEP. So in the end, I would like to show you our video. You can see our campus. Actually, this is our new campus in ISEP. So this is our team, and it's drawn to take this video to give you a 3D idea how it looks like about our campus. So as you can see, this is we have like a garden. And this area, which I have mentioned before, nearby this campus have a lot of technological companies. Okay, so I will stop. Thank you very much for participating in my presentation. So I will stop my presentation because I see I have received a lot. Okay, I have received a lot information, questions from you. I think I have some time, so I will answer a few questions. So you can for sure you can take an appointment with me in my stand. So I have a stand with a campus friends. So you can ask all your questions today or tomorrow, because tomorrow we still have 1 day presentation. Exposition, so you can ask all the admission criteria. So yes, so we offer 2 different types of programs for high school graduates, for bachelor holders. So if let's say you would like to continue your study in these 2 programs, yes, you can consult with me. Okay. So for high school graduates, you must specialize in scientific domain. Okay. And for bachelor holders, you must have a bachelor degree, which is in relative domain, for example, in EEE, in telecommunication, in IT, in computer science, in electronics, or mechatronics. Okay.
We have to end now.
Yes.
And, yes.
Okay, so this is the end of the presentation, right?
Yes, I'm going to close it now.
Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.